Some more breaking news coming in here. Huge relief for Union Minister M.K. Alagiri's grandson. The Madras High Court has granted bail to Durai Dayanidhi in the multi-crore granite scam. So this relief coming across for Dayanidhi. This is in fact a big relief coming across. The news had been tightening around his neck in the multi-crore granite scam. In this background, Durai Dayanidhi, son of Union Minister M.K. Alagiri, has been facing the ignominy of being put behind bars as well, but the Madras High Court earlier, remember, had rejected his anticipatory bail plea. Now he's got that. Priyambada, just take us through the details. Big relief coming across, most certainly.
Well, it's a big relief for M.K. Alagiri and his son Durai Dayanidhi Alagiri, who has been on the run for more than 3 months now in the multi-crore granite scam. Today, the Madras High Court of Madurai bench of Madras High Court has granted him anticipatory bail, and they have also quashed the search warrant that was issued by the Madurai police. Remember, he's been in hiding for more than 3 to 4 months now, and the police have been trying to hunt him down, but they could not succeed. Meanwhile, once his bail petition was rejected 1 month back, and then it was again appealed, they had re-appealed, the lawyers of Durai Dayanidhi had appealed again for the anticipatory bail, and the case was pending, the hearing was happening, and finally now the judge has granted anticipatory bail for various reasons, including that so many other persons involved in the scam have got bail, including the main accused. So why not Durai Dayanidhi, who is the 17th accused in the case?
And DMK chief, his grandfather as well, you know, Priyambada, had come forth and expressed his displeasure, the fact that he was in hiding. This was a big embarrassment for the party itself. You know, yes, accusing the government as well of this current situation of putting their leaders in the dock. But we're talking about a scam which runs, you know, according to estimates, into 1 lakh crores as far as loss to the exchequer is concerned. In that sense, a relief coming there for the party saving phase 2.
Definitely, just ahead of the 2014 elections, this was one black mark that the DMK party was facing. But now, now that Durai Dayanidhi has got bail, it definitely makes the holding a bit more stronger. It gives some kind of relief for the party on the whole. But remember, from the day one, Mr. Karunanidhi had not come out in full defense of Durai Dayanidhi, had kind of isolated him and had kind of stepped away from him and did not give complete support or associated the party with him. So in that sense, Karunanidhi was playing it safe from day one. But definitely on the whole, especially for the DMK cadres in Madurai, when they face the elections, this could have been a major block, and that seems to have been removed, at least for now.